Spirit Tower information, India 1750 Zulu. Weather wind 120 at 7, visibility 10. Sky clear below 12,000. Temperature full, dew point -6, altimeter 3015.
Departure.
Departure, you have a great day calling 375.
China 120 Juliet Charlie, visual 8 right.
Challenger 120 Juliet Charlie, Spirit Tower, runway 8 right, clear to land.
Line 8 right, 120 Juliet Charlie.
Challenger 0 Juliet Charlie, where are you parking?
Signature 0 Juliet Charlie.
Challenger 0 Juliet Charlie, turn left at Alpha 5, taxi straight into park and remain this frequency, and have a good day.
5, stay with you, 0 Juliet Charlie.
Harmony 0 Foxtrot Tango, fly runway heading for now, have a turn for in the air, runway 8 right at Charlie, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff, fly runway heading, runway 8 right, Harmony 970 Fox Tango.
Clear check 254, runway 8 right, clear to land.
Right, clear to land, clear check 254.
Clear check 254, you can continue down the runway, turn left at Alpha 5, taxi straight into parking with me, have a good day.
5 and park, clear check 254.
8-1 uniform, Tango is ready for takeoff at Charlie.
November 81 Uniform Tango, Spirit Tower, fly runway heading for now, have your turn in the air, runway 8 right at Charlie, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading for now, 8 right at Charlie, clear for takeoff, 1 uniform Tango.
November 81 Uniform Tango, frequency change approved, have a safe flight.
Change approved, 1 uniform Tango, thank you.
November 616 Alpha Whiskey, Spirit Tower, runway 8 right, clear to land.
Runway 08 right, clear to land, Archer 616 Alpha Whiskey.
November 6 Alpha Whiskey, continue down the runway, turn left at Alpha 5, and taxi straight into park and remain this frequency. Have a good day.
Set Alpha 5 and continue to park into signature. Stay on this frequency. Archer 616 Alpha Whiskey.
1 Papa Alpha, runway 8 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 8 right, 91 Papa Alpha.
Kilo now, carry out wind 090 at 6, altimeter 3011.
Papa Alpha, turn left Alpha 6, ground point 7.
Turn left off of 8 right, contact ground at point 7.
173 Sierra Delta Spirit Tower, traffic 4 mile final Challenger, turn left on course, runway 8 right at Charlie, clear for takeoff.
On course, clear for takeoff, 8 right at Charlie, Sierra Delta.
For 1735 Delta, fixed exchange approved.
173 Sierra Delta, thank you.
Tower Spirit Jet 101 is on visual waypoint.
101 Spirit Tower, runway 8 right, clear to land near number 1.
Number 1, Spirit Jet 101.
One, turn left at Alpha 4 and then contact ground point 7.
Alpha 4, ground point 7.
345, number 2, following that Challenger that you have in sight, runway 8 right, clear to land.
And number 2, 8 right, Spirit Jet 45.
.345, turn left when able, and then contact ground point 7.
Spirit Tower, Aero 40724, holding short at Charlie for 8 right, ready for departure.
November 40724, Spirit Tower, hold short runway 8 right. 40724, the fly runway heading runway 8 right at Charlie, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, 8 right, clear for takeoff, 724.
368 Alpha Mike, runway 8 right, clear to land.
68 Alpha Mike, clear to land, runway 8 right. November 68 Alpha Mike.
Number 68 Alpha Mike, turn left at Alpha 5 and then contact ground point 7.
Left at Alpha 5 and then contact ground point 7, November 68 Alpha Mike.
Good afternoon, Challenger Level Mach 309, Kilo Bravo is turning 5 straight right.
309 or Kilo Bravo, Spirit Tower, runway 8 right, clear to land.
Right, clear to land, starting to Bravo.
Kilo Bravo, contact ground point 7. Experimental 202 Charlie Romeo, runway 8 right, clear to land.
Right, clear to land, 202 Charlie Romeo.
Experimental 202 Charlie Romeo, you're going to be following Challenger traffic on a short final.
Charlie Romeo has a Challenger in sight.
Terminal 202 Charlie Romeo, turn left at the reverse high speed Alpha 6 and then contact ground point 7.
Reverse high speed and contact ground 202 Charlie Romeo.